currently about to do the tow arm. We waited till like last minute. We need to take the car out in a couple hours, and it's like 118 outside, so you can imagine our garage is like a million degrees. All we have is our little fan in here, so we're dying. Not in the best of moods, but it gets worse. So we didn't unload the car from the drift event, so everything needs to get unloaded. And on top of that, I left the battery connected, so the car might not even start. So we could be doing all of this for nothing. We're just, you know what, we're doing our best. Kaylin, any comments to add?
No.
No comments. Okay, yeah, so here goes. I got these ISR tow arms on, honestly, eBay. They were like $170 shipped.
So we're dragged on the floor. Should not be moving that easily. The new one is not clapped. You can barely move it.
Oh. So they're adjustable, which is the whole point.
Yeah, we're gonna do an eyeball alignment because
Honestly, I didn't have much faith in the Kaylin eyeball alignment at first, but it's doing pretty well so far, so I'm cool with it.
you ever break one on the side of the road, take your stock one, take your old adjustable, put it up to the new one. This is the bolt that comes on the car. It's called an eccentric bolt. It's a piece of shit. It comes from the factory like this because obviously stock arms aren't adjustable. Most of the time they get stuck like this one did and you have to hammer it off. So that's going straight to the trash. This is an eccentric lockout kit. We'll link it in the description. So this basically locks your adjustable arms so they don't move once they're installed. The other bolts slip. So if you're trying to build a full-blown drift car that doesn't have any slip anywhere, you need these puppies.
Pro tips from Kaylin.
Yeah, you're back looking like a Chrysler Crossfire first gen. So if you have an S14, keep these on. You have a superior car, congrats. If you don't have one, you have an S13, you have to dig your hole or dig your finger in these holes.
Oh, sorry.
And then they're in there.
This is a 13, that's the 14.
Yep.
Oh. So you're telling me the tow arm Uzi is bigger on the 14?
Yeah. Oh, one side.
Oh my god.
Wheel go.
Oh, you just ran my phone over! Why?
That would be funny.
It was not funny! Honestly, it didn't add any damage.
Obviously not.
For reference, this is how damaged my phone is. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now I have to clean my car, like, actually.
Yeah, good luck with that one.
What do you mean? What? I just don't know how to, like, what do I do with it?
Unwrap it and have someone come wrap it in.
Unwrapping everything. Shut up. Give me one, let me help.
Fucking butt cheek prints everywhere.
That's you, dog. I don't even have a butt cheek.
I don't have butt cheeks. Don't press.
Oh.
So,
You
yeah.
tell me that now?
Yeah.
Not go.
I don't know, where I couldn't bend over or see. Just bring one and wipe that shit down at the meat, dog, like a real car enthusiast.
That's literally you. You make me do that every time we go somewhere.
That's
flat.
a car show, not a car meet. Big difference. Car shows cost money. Car
This
meets.
costs me gas money.
Yeah, they want to have it on the east side.
Should we put gas in this thing?
Peace out, internet.
You're done?